Hello guys, so today I'm back with new exciting feature in summer 2024. So there's a new app called Automation. That's you if you are using a sandbox that's previewed version, you must be seeing this message, try the new Automation Lightning app. And it tells us the steps that we need to use to enable the app. So let's go to process automation settings from here, and we need to enable the app first. That's only way to access the app in app launcher. So there's a checkbox called enable the lightning app. We need to check this and click on save. So as soon as it's done, we can go back to the app launcher and access our new app automation. So let's go to the app and see how it looks. So there are two tabs right now on the app, home and flow. We can edit the tabs as we used to, and for now it has four components. One is flows, recently modified flows. Other one is error flows, and there's a link to the community that we can go directly from here. If you want to join the flow community and learn more about the flow, we can ask questions here. We can go to Salesforce Flow Automations, and there's a direct link to the trailhead as well, where we can learn about flows. So this is automation, automate your business process with Salesforce flows. It's a trail, we can use that to learn. Okay, so let's see what does it do. In recently modified flows, we will be seeing the recently modified flows that we have in our org, and error flows will be the flows that are throwing errors. As of now, I don't have any flow that are throwing errors. If there had been any, it will be over here. So flow is now just an object. We will not be able to find the object in the object manager, but on the backend it's an object. Let me just show you how it looks. So you can use an object list and list views on any lightning page that you want to add. You can add this, and similarly you can add the flows as well. You can create a list view for flows now. So as you can see, this component is a list view. It's a list view component, and we have selected flow as an object. Filter, it's the filter or which list view that we want to show, and this is number of records that we want to display. So by default, Salesforce provides the number as 5. We can increase the number, but keeping in mind the screen size, we should not increase it much. And we can enable inline editing and hide the action bars, these action bars, hide the search bar. We can hide the search bar, and as you can see, these are hidden in this particular list view. Now let's go back, and there's another tab called flows. So similar to what we used to have a tab for an object, we now have a tab for flow. So in this particular flow tab, we can have different list views. By default, Salesforce provided 4 list view: all flow, error flow, recently modified, and recently viewed. We can create a new list view from here, and we can set the settings to whom it will be visible, and we can customize the list view as well. If I go to all flows, I can customize the fields that I'm seeing, similar to what other objects had. I can directly create a flow from here. For before, we needed to go to setup and then create a flow, but now I can create a flow from here. If I click on new button, it will take me to a new tab, and it will open the flow builder. That's pretty cool, and that is all about the app. And thank you.